Hello again. I think we have something to fix today, this mouse, this wireless mouse. Well, it's TLL491051 something. Anyway, it can. Oh, it's a basic from basic wireless something. It was a kit. I can't remember the name of this company, but anyway, has been working for 3 years, 4 years without problems. In the last time, last weeks or something, I observed a strange behavior, like when I'm scrolling. It's not getting firm in a certain position. Okay, so it's going up and then comes back, and it's not steady somehow. It's like jumping, and I tried fixing drivers or something. I think it's something mechanical. Anyway, you see, it have a kind of hesitation when look there. You saw that? It's very hard to follow text. Like I don't know. So I'm scrolling down. I want to stop in a certain position, and suddenly it's jumping. Okay, finally, let me open it up and see what we can do about that. I got no clue how to fix this guy. I never worked mouses before, but we can find that together. Do we have any screws behind this? Oh no, no screws here. But we have one there and one here. Well, let's see. I can feel it on. There's the guy. Okay. What else? No screw here for sure. Or it should. All right. And now it's open. Of course. I already see the problem. We have a kind of potentiometer here, huh? Is it potentiometer? Yes, it is. This guy here. Well, I'm not sure if we ever can find a replacement for that. Oh no. No way. I don't. That's a potentiometer or probably an actuator. I can float this with contact spray. Maybe it's enough. Okay, let me have a power and let me try spectacles, of course. Now let's see. Any improvement? Oh, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Oh, of course, yes. It's too simple. I swear it's too simple. Yes, it's working, people. Funny and lovely in the same time. Let me find some text or something to scroll. There we go. It's done. Perfect. It was too easy. Okay, so that's it. Just a little contact spray here, and the actuator, it's working like new. I don't think it's a potentiometer because actually uh, we need a movement sensor or okay, indicator. A potentiometer is just a resistor, going in between two, 0 and maximum something. So it's not, no, it's an actuator. But this is much better because we don't have any problem with the carbon in the potentiometer. That one is getting uh, loose sometime and makes that cracking sounds. But that's fine. Okay, some more spray inside here, the micro contacts. And we are good to go. That's it. Do I have to clean this? Well, I don't keep it here. All right, I'm gonna clean it a little bit and that's it. Well, I hope it's useful. See you soon with some other results and results. In the meantime, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, press the like button, and the most important thing, have fun. Bye bye.